In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add WhatsApp live chat onto your Shopify store. Now for this, we need an extension which you can get on elfsite.com. You can go to widgets right there and then you can click on WhatsApp chat. Now once you do so, they will take you over to the different so before that you want to click on create widget at the top right corner, but then they're definitely going to send you over to the different templates that they have available. So right there you can see the preview. So this is a general one. You can click on support, sale, booking, let's see, onboarding, feedback, consultation, and a chat button. So I'm just going to go with the general one. Now once you selected your template, you can click on continue with this template and you can then enter your WhatsApp phone number right there. You can customize the chat bubble, the header, the welcome message, and all of that. Now once you've customized all of this and entered your phone number, you want to click on join to install, and you can then sign up for a free account or sign in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login, which it will do right now. Okay, so once you're signed in, you can click on save at the top right corner and you can then save it to your account. Now right there, you can then copy the code. So you want to copy this, then go to your Shopify store, go to online store, go to themes, which it will automatically do. Let's just wait. Now once you're here, you want to click on actions and click edit code. Click on theme liquid. And then you want to paste it after the body, so I'm just gonna copy that and paste. There you go. Then hit save, and there you go. Now if I now go to my online store, you'll see the WhatsApp button right there. You can then click on it, and there you go. So that's pretty much how you can add WhatsApp chat to your Shopify store. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.